Hello students and welcome back to our channel Connect to Learn. So students, today we are going to learn about basic practices of crop production. As we know that the various activities are performed by farmers for the cultivation of crop over a period of time. So these various tasks performed by farmers for crop production are termed as agricultural practices. And there are different agricultural practices, and let's just see what are those. So first one is preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting, and the last step is storage.
So now let us see the very first step, and that is preparation of soil. Why do we need to prepare the soil for cultivation? So let us see what it is. When we look at the word preparation, one thing that must be striking you is preparation for exams. If you don't prepare before taking up your exam, do you think you will be able to score well? Definitely not. So we need preparation before we appear for exams. Now, who helps you in your preparation before exams? Either your parents or your teachers, right? So, in a very similar way, soil also needs preparation. And who helps in the preparation of soil? A farmer. A farmer helps in the preparation of soil. If the soil is prepared well, in that case, the productivity will also turn out to be well, and vice versa. So now let us see what exactly do we do with the soil. Now just look here. The preparation of soil is a very first step. Before growing a crop. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. So it is the first step before growing any crop. So students, there are certain activities for soil preparation. Now let us see what are those activities one by one. So the first one is plowing. The process of loosening and turning of soil is called tilling or plowing. This is done by using a plow. Plows are made of wood or iron. Now let us have one picture of plow. So in this picture you can see that this part is called as plow shaft and this portion is called as plowshare. And this is the agricultural implement which is being used for plowing the field. Now let us see the another image. In this image you can see that how the plow is being used for plowing the field. The plow is made of wood and iron and is being drawn by a pair of bulls or other animals like horse and camels can be used in place of bull. It contains a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare. See here, this is plowshare, this portion. And the other end is attached to a beam which is placed on the bull's neck. One pair of bulls and a man can easily operate the plow. And since only few centimeters of top layer of soil supports the plant growth, turning and loosening of soil brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top so that plants can use these nutrients. Thus, turning and loosening of soil is very important for cultivation of crops. Now, our next step is watering. The process of giving water to field to make the dry soil wet before plowing, and this process is called watering. After that comes the leveling, the flattering of soil after plowing and watering, and the field is leveled for sowing as well as for irrigation purpose. And this is called as leveling. Thank you for watching, and we will continue with the next steps in the next video.